Hey folks, welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how to fix no access to Rift Anchor in Once Human. So you will likely come across the no access to Rift Anchor message at least once a while exploring the world of Once Human and wondered why certain rifts can be activated and others cannot. So this is all tied to your progress in the main story. Yeah, that's right. You probably explored further than you were meant to, which is why you cannot activate those rift anchors. The progress of the main story is linear regarding which rift anchors you can activate in each region on the map. So these anchors are tied to the main story, and each region has a set number of rift anchors that you must activate to unlock the region's monolith challenge. After you take on the monolith, you will then be able to activate the rift anchor in the next region as directed by the main story. So this is why I recommend you to following the main story to get the recommended order of rift anchors, so you don't stray too far from the region you need to complete first. It's easy as that. I too was guilty of exploring too much. So that was it for this video. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.